me to do your hair, Indy?
Yeah.
Do you want me to do your hair, Indy?
Yes, I like it. She said I like it.
Do you? She likes your hair. She's looking at your hair.
Stop.
You like Ate's hair?
I don't like the dancers. I don't like superheroes. And you said that.
She likes superheroes. She likes Kuya superheroes. Doesn't she?
He didn't
Oh,
eat
she
it.
likes it. She likes the dinosaur.
He didn't eat it.
Yeah, she eats it.
Give that dinosaur to me.
You wanna eat the dinosaur, Indy?
Yeah.
Do you wanna eat the dinosaur?
Stop. Delicious. Ah, get out. Stop.
Here you go, Bob. So pretty.
Stop. Indy, what on? Indy, guess what? He's coming on. He's down on you. He's going down. Keep his head down. Yeah. I stabbed him. I stabbed it on my toy. Let me see. More. Here's got my toy, Mindy. Stop. Stop! Spit stop! I'm too fast.
Come on.
Oh, yummy snack. Good job. Yummy snack. Stop!
Yeah, yummy snack. Go.
Mommy,
Go, yeah, put your socks on. Ate's gone. Ate's gone. She's off to school. Ate's off to school. Sus, hindi talaga makahintay. Hindi ko siya mapakain ng breakfast kanina kasi nire-ready ko si Ayla. So, binigyan ko ng snack saka tumigil. Hindi siya happy kanina eh. And now she's happy. You like it. You like food. Yummy. Yeah? Is it yummy, the food for you? It's on your nose. Oh no. Okay, keep eating. Finish it. Kuya, come on here. Oh no, she wants the... Do you want to play with Yakult? You can play with Yakult.
What is Yakult?
I think she wants to drink. Here, look. And I'm going to say, woke up too early. Hey, you woke up too early. Are you going to sleep later at Kuya Sports? No, I don't sleep anymore. I don't sleep anymore at Kuya Sports, Mommy. I love her, yeah. I love you so much. I love you. I love you, yeah. Of course I love you. The teacher loves you, yes. Do you like playing with that? Do you like playing with that? Can I cut your nails? Your nails are very long. Very long again. Alright, let's wash the dishes. Na-prepare ko na yung baon ni Arlo mamaya. So, every Friday, kapag piniprepare ko yung baon ni Ayla, sinasabay ko na kay Arlo din para isahan na. Kasi nga, we have sports every Friday. So, ready na yan. Let's do dishes. And then, get the bag ready. Tapos, magbibihis ako. And then, alis na tayo, guys. Pupunta si Kuya mamaya. Alo, you have to finish your breakfast now so I can wash your bowl. She dropped it again. Oh. Thank you, Kuya. Wait, sa... Pakainin ko muna yung bata. that's why she's not happy. I'll check. Good call, Kuya. Yes, baby. Coming. Ay, sana po siya. Para hindi na natin problemahin mamaya. Did you poo? Did you do poo chocolate? Alright. Alright, I'm coming. Did you do poo chocolate? Poo chocolate. Poo chocolate. Let me shake. No, she did not. You did not poo. When are you gonna poo? Nandun na tayo sa sports. When are you gonna poo, ha? Kapag nandun na tayo, nahihirapan na tayo sa mga sitwasyon sa buhay. Eh? Gusto mo dun mag-poo. Gusto mo dun mag-poo. Habang si Kuya ay nagsusports. Eh? Gusto mo dun. Ganyan ka. Ganyan ka. Bam bam dance. Bam bam dance. Bam bam dance. Bam bam dance. Mag-sunscreen lang tayo. Yung Beauty of Joseon yung inuubos ko, guys. Yung Relief Sun na sunscreen. Ang aga pa actually. Wala pang 9. 8:46 pa lang. But while happy si Inday, hindi ako magla-lashes today. I think may time ako mag-lashes. But gusto ko pagpahingahin muna yung aking lashes. Maglagay ako konti. Blush. Naubos ko tong blush na to. Ang tagal maubos. Gusto kong pumunta ng Mecca Burnside. Kaka-open lang ng Burnside, guys. Well, kaka-open ng bagong, ano nila, yung newly renovated na part ng Burnside. It opened yesterday. They had an opening yesterday and it was really busy. Gusto ko sanang pumunta dun, but ayoko muna kasi alam ko sobrang busy pa. I'll use the Romand Juicy Lasting Tint. Deep Sangria yung shade na to. Ay, nice. Uy! It looks really dark sa camera, but it's not. Well, it is dark, but not that dark. Not that deep. Parang ang deep-deep niya tingnan sa camera. Bihis lang ako. Anong susuotin natin? Leggings. Wait, saan? Ito na lang. Black leggings, white jumper.
That mommy.
Ta-da! Socks.
I not did this, mommy.
Yes.
I did that. Oh.
We are lawyer naked. Ito yung inuubos ko. Burberry Goddess. Konti na lang. Kasi gusto kong ibahin yung setup ko dito sa perfume ko. Nagbihis na to si Indy, guys. Nagbihis na siya, pero look. Same yung damit. Meron akong dalawang ganito. Ewan ko din. Nung nag-shopping ako sa Kmart, 2 beses. Same print yung kinuha ko. Hindi ko naalala na meron na pala siya. Sus, ready na umalis. Oh, pagka. Gala talaga, batang gala. Ikaw, relaxing man akong Indy. Eh? Do you wanna finish your milky? So we can leave your milky? Do you wanna finish your milky or no? No? Okay. Okay. You wanna play with your dum-dum? Alright, here. Yeah, let's put your shoes on. So you do this. See? Open like that. Like that. Up. Get the other one. And you open it this way. Open. Like that. Yep. See? That's it. Oh, strong boy. Good boy. Oh, hard. Good job. You put your foot in. All done, Mommy P.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.
So, ang weather is malamig na mainit. Did she? Alright, let's text Kuya.
And these people are hot. Mommy, into them. When is it that? That's so singing, Auntie.
Let's go. Everyone's ready?
Yeah.
Alo ready?
Yeah.
Indy ready?
Yeah.
Mommy ready?
Yeah.
Yay! Alright, so after sports, we will go to the
That's what?
shops. Yeah, do you want to go to the shops? Okay.
Where's that boy, Mommy?
Mommy needs to buy something.
I want to buy toys.
No, we don't need toys.
Jay said okay. Thanks. Would you like to reply?
No.
Okay.
I need to buy toys, Mommy. A Hulkbuster toy.
Huh?
Hulkbuster toy.
Hulkbuster?
Yes, Hulkbuster got many buttons.
It's got many buttons.
School zone ahead.
Oh.
And Iron Man. And it's a Hulk smash.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll look it up. I don't know if that's available here. Where did you see it? On TV?
Yes.
Yeah?
And
Okay.
there's a boy open it.
The boy opened it. Okay. And it's called Hulkbusters.
Yes.
Okay.
And you need to buy it.
You need to buy it. Okay. You really need it?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So it's got many buttons?
Yeah.
Okay. The boy opened it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll open them by myself.
And you can open it by yourself. Alright. If we find it.
We found it. I found it far away.
It's very far away. Okay. If you see it on TV again, you have to tell me. So I know what it is.
It's a Hulkbuster.
It is a Hulkbuster. I know, but I don't know what it looks like.
He got many teeth and smash.
Many teeth and smashes. Okay.
And smooth arms.
Moves the arms. Ooh.
And the buttons there. The button naughty things, Mommy.
Oh, really? It does a lot, this buster. Yeah.
And Hulkbuster they put my face, Mommy.
Really?
Yes. And
Oh, well done! Another one? Go! Well done, Alo. Go get him. Well done. Put it back. And then do it again. Hit it really hard, okay? Just wait for Mama. Good job. It's okay, I got it. Really hard. Good job. Watch out for your stick. Watch out for your stick. Really hard, really hard. Alright, go get it. Good job, mate. Keep going, keep going. Good boy, keep going. All the way to the end, Alo. Good boy. You're gonna do taps and then big one, okay? Dribble, dribble. And then shoot. Again. Good job. Kanta-kanta pang isa. Kaya saya niya. Ang cute ng dalawa. Oh. Ay, si Cindy. Hindi talaga natulog.
I need this one.
Oh, kisses. Blow kiss. Oh, sus. Let's go. Ready, Indy? Ready, kuya? Snacking ng kuya. Gra, kuya. So, punta tayong T3 Plaza. Gusto ko sanang pumunta ng Burnside. Kaya lang kaka-open lang nila kahapon. And Dan happened to be there yesterday. And it was really busy daw. Crazy busy. I'll give it a week. So, punta tayong T3 Plaza. Ayoko pang umuwi kasi may naglilinis nga sa bahay. Hindi pa tapos si Kuya. And gusto ko din pumunta ng Kmart. Kung kaya, sana matulog si Indy. Hindi na talaga siya tutulog sa sports ni Arlo. Matagal na naman na. Kaya lang, minsan kasi, kapag nagda-drive ako papunta doon, nakakatulog siya, tapos nagigising siya pagdating na doon. This time, hindi na talaga siya natutulog. Sa biyahe namin papunta doon, hindi siya natulog. Ngayon, parang walang plano matulog. Gising na gising pa din. So, I don't know. Ayaw niya matulog. That's okay. Pero yeah, sana later matulog siya. She's very due for sleep. Para makapaglakad-lakad tayo sa TTP. Na isa lang yung iniisip natin.
I'm done, Mama.
You're done? Okay, give it to Mama. Good boy. Good eating. Hala, ang saya naman ng isa dyan. Walang plano matulog, Inday. Indy, get some sleep. Dito kami guys sa labas ng Kmart. And meron silang pa-playground dito. Ngayon ko lang to nakita. Ang ganda ng kakulayan pa. Kagagaling lang natin sa mga ganyang obstacles eh. Tapos meron silang sushi hub dun. Dun ako galing kasi dun ako nag-park sa taas. Kasi alam ko nang sobrang busy dito. Yung usual car park ko sobrang busy. Ah, nice! And then slide. Wee! Dito na kami sa mga air fryer. Meron silang stock nung gusto kong bilhin. Ito yung twin air fryer kasi malaki ba. Chinek ko siya last time, wala kasi siyang stock. Ito siya. Ang laki niya guys. Ayan. Tapos natatanggal ba to? I think natatanggal. Natatanggal yung gitna. Ang perfect. So, ang laki niya. Ay, ang ganda nito. Should we get it now? Do we need it now? Okay pa naman yung air fryer namin. Kaya lang minsan namamatay. Pero so far, hindi pa siya namamatay. Kakaloka lang kasi minsan, nasa gitna ka ng pagluluto, biglang namamatay. So, ito talaga yung pinunta ko dito din. Ito yung kailangan namin talaga, bin. So, yung meron kami ngayon, ang ganda ng kulay. 3 liter na gray. Wala nang gray. Pero ang mura lang nito, 750 lang. Pero, merong gray. Medyo malaki. Pero ang ganda niya, Ang slim lang din. But they have it in black as well. And in this color. And meron ding green. Let's get this, Alo. Get 2 please. Yeah, sira na yung namin. Bin, guys. Yung dito ba sira? Yeah, put it in. Hindi ko kinuha yung air fryer, guys, kasi ang laki. Baka ipa-pick up ko na lang kay Dan. 1. Kasi mas kailangan ko to. Alright, Alo. Grab 1 more, please. Thank you, Alo. Good boy. Put it in the pram. Thank you. Good helping. Sus, tingnan mo yung dudong ko. Oopsie. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you wanna help Mama get the paper? There. Here. Yeah, 1 pack. 2 packs actually. Kanina ko pa ito hinahanap. Hindi ko gamay yung Kmart nila dito. Good job, Alo. Para to kay Ayla, guys. Para sa drawing niya. Para hindi niya galawin yung kay Daddy.
Okay, Mama.
Yeah, it's for Ayla and you. Your paper. Get another one, please. Yeah, hindi na talaga magkakasya yung air fryer. Just this one, babe. At the top. How about this? This.
Mommy,
Okay.
is it broken?
Yeah, that one's broken. Don't get that.
It's broken.
Don't get the broken one. Baka maglabasan tong mga papel.
It is
Yeah,
broken.
perfect.
It is broken.
Thank you. You're such a good kuya.
It is broken.
Alright, let's go. Dito tayo sa school supplies. Tingin-tingin lang ako ng mga, alam mo yun, pwedeng bilhin para paglaruan ng mga bata. Pero wala. Okay lang. Importante yung papel. Tingin-tingin lang tayo ba? Tingin-tingin sa arts and crafts. For the kids. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look at, not 10 cents, $10. Ito talaga si Mommy may pagka Tangie minsan. Alright. I wanna check out. Gusto kong i-check yung tray. Yung trays nila. Meron ako nakita sa Meijer. Yun yung pupuntahan ko dun. Kaya lang ang layo na nun, guys. Kasi yung pinarkingan ko nga sa kabila. Yung tray, naka-sale. $9 na lang. Tapos ito maganda din to. Ang lagyan ng perfume ko. Pa, yeah, meron akong tinitingnan sa Meijer. Gusto ko din yan bilhin, kaya lang hindi na magkasya. Yung ganyan ko, sira na guys, kasi itong mga batang to, minsan may pagka-monster. But okay lang kasi mura lang yan. $39 lang yan, oh. But yeah, I need to get rid of my old one and buy a new one. So maybe a different color. A monster? Yeah, you're a monster sometimes. You broke my stool. Cute din ito, oh. Ang liit lang. Sabi ni Arlo. I'm finished here daw. You're finished here?
Yes.
Okay lang yan sa perfume ko ngayon. Kasha yan dyan, I think. Or baka maliit. Alright, let's go, let's go. Kasi he's finished here. Alright, let's go. May mga rugs dito. Oh, meron naman pala dito. Available naman pala. Kaya lang kailangan ko i-measure yung rug namin. Oh, wow. Tingin-tingin talaga tayo nito para naman talaga nating madadala tong mga to. Meron na kasi ako na add to cart online. Kaya lang sabi, hindi daw available dito. But this one's available here. The checkered. But I think I need a bigger one. Ito, oh, ang cute niya, diba? Gusto kong palitan yung rug na nasa ano namin, other lounge. And that one's nice too. Look at it, Alo. This lily rug looks good.
I get you.
This one. That looks nice. Ayun, ano niya. Itsura. That one at the back looks good as well. Ayan. Ayan, maganda yan. Gano'n kalaki? 2.3, 1.6. Tas mura lang. Sabi ko kasi ayoko na bumili ng mahal na rug para hindi ako makonsensya kung gusto ko na siyang palitan. Yung rug namin ang mahal nun, guys. Tapos ngayon gusto kong palitan, diba? So dapat mga mumurahin lang para pag gusto nating palitan, hindi na tayo maghintay ng matagal. Ang tagal ko na yung gustong palitan, kaya lang nasasayangan ako. Hindi natin makuha, Arlo. But at least we know for next time. Tapos may checker din na ganito. At iba naman yung kulay niya. But I like that one. Yeah, I like that one. Tapos maganda din yung material niya. Oh, parang soft. You wanna open that? Okay. Kawawa to kasi hindi siya makaupo doon. Puno na. Maybe we will load this in the car. Here, open. Mommy, open. Okay. It's nice, Arlo. I need to measure our floor properly. O, diba? Nagkasya siya. Good job, Mami! Napagkasya ko, guys, sa likod. Tapos binitay ko lang yung bag dito. Very good. Hindi na namin kailangan umakyat para i-drop tong mga to. Let's go! Habang tulog pa si Indy. Malayo yung lalakarin. Nasa kabilang dulo yung Meijer. Alright, Meijer na tayo. Tulog pa din yung Inday ko and Arlo. Nasa prom pa din. Masaya, buyag-buyag. Wala pang phone. Hindi niya naalala. That one, yeah. Just stay there. Mommy's got it. Ooh, stay. Ay, kasi niya talagang lumabas. Stay, Alo. Oh, wait. I think it's full. Just stay there, okay? We'll go upstairs. Uy, gising na. Matutulog ulit to. Lagi siya nagigising pero natutulog naman. Ay, Bob. Matulog ka. Ang layo na ng nilakad natin. Level 4. Alright, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Basta meron ako nakita online na tray. Naka-sale siya. I just wanna check kung gaano siya kalaki. And I also wanna see it in person. Ayun. Naka-display. Ang laki. It's, oh my gosh, that's massive. Kaya pala ang mahal mo. Ito. Ang laki ng tray, guys. Wait, Alo. Yan yung naka-sale. Parang 80 plus, 40 plus na lang. Ang ganda din itong plato. Oh. Parang plato na lang yung paglagyan natin ng perfume natin. Ayun pa. Naka-sale din to. Kaya lang silver. Yan, okay lang yung size na yan. Yung isa, ang laki talaga nun. Pero mas gusto ko kasi gold. So, yung isa ng plato, $30. Tapos naka 50% off. Plato lang talaga siya na gold. So, $30. 15 na agad to. Alright, wait. Ito oh. Silver lang. Nakasil din to. Nakita ko din to online. This is not too bad. You want this, Inday? Hindi! Wala na. Gising na talaga Inday natin. Ang ganda sana ng gold. Ang laki. Oo, isa laki yun. Wait sa inyo. Wait. Ito oh. Parang ganito yung style ng sa Kmart kanina pero bilog. Magkano to? Ang bigat. Oo, isa bigat. Wait sabi. Ayaw na ng Indy ko guys. Papuntang uwi na naman tayo nito. Ay my gosh. Wait Indy. I need to get the gallery wall. Where is their gallery wall? Hala. May sushi hub na din sila. Oh, ang paborito kong sushi. Bili tayo. Alright guys, we are on our way home. Hindi ko nakuha yung gallery wall. Nakasale pa naman sana. Nakasale lahat ng homeware, home decor sa Meijer. Like 50% off. Yeah. Tapos plano ko sana tingnan din yung yung malaking bowl sana nung set ng namin, mga plato. Hindi ko na tingnan kasi may umiiyak na tayong Indy. Pero yung sushi hub, lang yun, nasa baba lang yun ng Walkalator na papunta sa parking. So, nakabili ako sushi. Pero yung pinaka-importante naman is yung beans and mga papel ni Ayla. Yun naman lang talaga yung importante. Bumili kami tsokolate nitong isa. Kasi gusto niya bumili ng toy. Dami na naming toys, guys. Buti na lang, may chocolate na naka-display doon, naka-sale. Kasi Easter chocolate yan, mga Easter eggs. Masaya na siya dyan. Walang telepono. Hindi niya talaga naalala yung telepono, hindi humingi. Very good yung dudong natin. Alright guys, kain muna tayo. I'm hungry. So, pinadalawa ko kay kuya. Pero yung laman is 2 spicy crab nigiri, tapos isang tuna sandwich. Same yung laman na to. Sabi ko, pag wala akong maisip na dinner, yan yung kakainin ko. Or, si Dan yung kakain yan. I'm starving. Wala pa akong kain. Anong oras na? 1 something na. Hello. Pwede na mag-hold? Ha? Pwede na? Ayaw magpaiwan eh. Hey? Hello? You shy? Where's the guys? Where's the guys? Where's the guys? Where's the guys? Pag tumayo ako, iiyak. Tingnan niyo, patay ako. Okay. You just want to play with Mama? Okay, let's play. What do you want to play? You want Mama here? You just want Mama here? I'll do the hole here. Is that a good idea? Can I get the stuff? Is that Indy? My goodness, que guapa. Can I get the stuff? Yes? Hello. Do you want to sleep? You want to walk? Do you want to walk? Walk? Yes? Go. Go. I know. You like Mommy's nails? Tulog si Kuya eh. Nakatulog on the way here. Ito yung hindi natulog. No? Natulog ng konti dun sa shops, pero nagising din before pa tayo nakaalis dun. Tapos hindi siya natulog sa car. Hindi ka ba natulog sa car? Ayaw mo na matulog sa car? You just wanna stay awake? Let me see it. Oh, it's coming. It is coming. We have Bumpy Gale coming. Bumpy Gale. Go. Walk. Okay, walk. You got hiccups. You got hiccups. Pluck, pluck. Pluck, pluck. Pluck, pluck. I'll get the stuff, okay? You play, okay? Sama ka? You wanna come? Doon lang, oh. I need to get the stuff. John Walker. Sige, tara. Walker. Come with me, okay? These are fun. These are fun. Alright guys, let's do a quick haul. Unahin natin sa Meijer kasi dalawa lang yung nabili ko sa Meijer. Bili ko lang yung The Ordinary na glycolic acid. Yan yung ginagamit kong pang toner. Inikip ko yung mga box. So pati mga ganito, pinapadala ko sa classroom ni Ayla. And then ito. So this is for here. So binigyan ako nito ni Dan nung Mother's Day, diba? Tapos, yung tray kasi namin dito, we got rid of it. Kasi yung parang material nun is, hindi naman siya wood, pero parang ganun. Yeah, parang, basta, nabasa na kasi yun maraming beses and hindi na siya ganun ka-okay. So, tinapo namin siya. And that one actually looks really nice. Naka 50% off din yung, I think lahat ng homeware dun nga sa, Meijer. Naka 50% off. So, from 30, 15 na lang yung bili ko dyan. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Ang cute, diba? And then, lahat na to sa Kmart na. Bumili ako ng silicone air fryer tray. Kasi sabi ni Manay, maganda daw to. I also got this, panglinis ng bahay. Mini scrubber. So, ganyan siya. Pwede ipanglinis dyan. Sa shower, pwede. Maliit lang siya na parang, scrubber na. Parang toothbrush na malaki. Pero panglinis siya. Ang galing, diba? And then ito, dalawang packs ng papel. So, mayroon na si Aylang 1,000 sheets. Kasi grabe siya mag-drawing. So, nasasayangan kami sa papel ni Dan. So, she has her own. And then, I got the bin. So, yung bin namin ngayon, 3 liters. Na medyo ganito din yung kulay. Wala na nga, meron dun black. Yeah, mas malaki nga lang to. 5-liter bin to siya. Pero okay lang naman kasi hindi naman siya ganun kabuki tingnan. It's nice and slim looking. Wala. Merong screw. Bakit may nakalabas na screw? May screw. Saan yan galing? Magkano ba ito? Nakalimutan ko na guys. Pero mura lang to. Kay Mart lang eh. Yan, hindi ko din nabili yung aking tray. Kasi hindi na ako nakabalik sa Kmart. Yung Kmart na tray na lang sana yung bibilhin ko para sa perfume. Pero okay lang. Sabi siguro ng universe, bili-bili ka ngayon, hindi mo din naman yan magagawa. So, saka na yan. Masaya rin yung inday natin. Nasa walker lang siya. Ganyan lang siya, oh. Para lang talaga siyang malaking toothbrush. Tapos meron siyang 4 na heads. Maganda to pang scrub ng mga areas na mahirap linisin. Ng sponge lang or rug. Kasi ito, nasa scrub mo eh. Kailangan ng battery. So yeah, it's very simple. Battery operated lang siya. Feeling ko 4 na double A's lang yung ilalagay mo. And this is only $15. Ang mura lang. Parang gusto ko nang linisin yung namin. Ako na talagang palinis lang ng cleaner. May mga areas kasi na parang hindi napapansin ni Kuya or parang saladyaan na lang talaga niyang ayaw niyang linisin. Like yung sa namin, shower. Yung sa baba, sa glass ba? Gusto kong kuskusin, gusto kong linisin ng ayos. Kasi pag hinayaan mo, magiging ano na siya, dark na siya. Pag hindi na maintain yung kalinisan. Oh my gosh, one hand!
This one and then this one.
Go on. Go, Olive, go.
Watch, Mommy, I can make this one and then this one.
Okay. Girl! Indy's just watching. Good job, Ayla. Well done, Bubbers.
No, but this one is better.
Okay. Watch out, Ayla.
I think Pokemon.
Yeah. good
You're
job.
really good, Bob.
High five. Good boy. Good job, Isla.
Ayla, well done. Oi!
Careful.
Oh, good job, girl. Indy, what can you do? What can you do, beautiful? I cut her nails, so she's safe again. You're safe again!